so whiny. I will not put my hands in there. Mine's more slick. That's mine.
You know what pipe guy is slimy?
Hi.
They got toxic out of there.
Wait, what?
The other fish.
Oh, okay. I just hear the other fish part.
Yeah, it's toxic. You can't touch them. It'll paralyze you. Come on, go on the side. Stay right there. Do not move. I swear, if you move. I go get out of the picture.
Am I still in the picture?
Yeah, keep going to your right.
You mean to my left? Hi. What you doing?
What are you doing?
Asking you what you're doing?
Cooking some fish nuggets
Any french fries?
and french fries.
Yay! I like cheese. Can I help with the
somebody
french
had?
fries?
You can.
Huh? Find somebody head?
What? Oh. Are we going to use all of the potatoes?
Good chance of it, huh? Only 3 left.
Yeah. They're good. I'll grab one.
You put it right in that plate if you want.
Yeah, come on.
Grab the binoculars. Nothing better than that.
Give me a big
2-day-old Uncle Tom.
No more than that. That's right, 2 days. We brought them home, flayed them out, and then brought them back to the lake today so we could deep fry them.
And also, I
Good
give
stuff,
them a
good
big
stuff.
thumbs up.
You hear, we got a racing snowmobile in the background. That's the noise that you hear. If he takes off, maybe I'll get a picture of him.
Thumbs up.
Got him, Lindra?
Why can't he hold his? Why can't Elijah hold his tail?
It's slippery. Trying to get him?
I don't want a picture.
I know. Try and pick him up.
Here.
That's a big fish, Elijah.
No, I flop around.
Get a picture of his mouth. All right, can Joshy try? I gotta put my glove on for a minute, Josh, then I'll get your picture. My hand was getting too cold.
Lincoln.
All right, let Joshy have a turn.
Is he still alive? After that, Mommy.
Oh, oops, I guess I was doing a...
Get closer to the hole.
Come closer.
Get closer to the hole. Drop
No.
the line.
Hey, stop pulling the line, Lincoln, and come closer to the hole.
Keep going. Keep
And when you
going.
see him at the hole, don't get him stuck.
Do I keep pulling?
Yeah. Keep pulling. Let me see, Joshua.
Snowball fight.
No
Keep
snowball
pulling.
fights.
Is he down there?
I think so.
Good job,
Looks like it to
Joshy.
me.
Oh no, I got stuck.
It's okay, keep pulling.
Get stuck on what? You
Ice. All right, do you see him? Oh yeah, pull him fast. Pull. Whoa! Pull him away from the hole. That's your very own fish. You did all the
That's
work.
a big one.
It's bigger than yours.
It is
Look
bigger
at
than
that
mine.
fish. Hey.
Lincoln, that's the same size as me.
That's bigger than the other one.
Oh, that's bigger than. That's bigger than. But it looks like.
We'll have to get a picture of that one.
Again.
Mom, let's take a boat. So they can. Mom, let's take a boat.